These are the 7 types of air transportation that you can use to travel by air. Helicopter. Helicopter. Aeroplane. Aeroplane. Hang glider. Hang glider. Airship. Airship. Glider. Glider. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. Rocket ship. Rocket ship. And now you know about all of them. Please like, share, and subscribe to Small Wonderland.